Hello student, in this video I will solve exercise 15.1 onward question number 18 from volume and surface area. So we have question number 18. In this question it has been said that a cuboidal petrol T has dimensions of 20 centimeter, 16 centimeter and 14 centimeter. What is the total area of a sheet of T required to make 12 such tees? Okay. So, dear children, in this question, it has been said there is a cuboidal petrol tank whose dimensions are given to us: length equal to 20 centimeter, breadth equal to 16 centimeter, and height equal to 14 centimeter. Okay, so we have to ask what is the total area of the sheet of T required to make 12 such tees. Okay, so first we have to find the area of sheet required to make one cuboidal petrol tank. After then multiply by 12 to find the total sheet is required. Okay, such types of T. So let's begin. Let's solve it. So here dimension of the petrol tank is given: length equal to 20 centimeter, breadth is 16 centimeter. Okay, 16 centimeter, and height equal to 14 centimeter. Okay, so area of one cuboidal petrol T equal to, okay, so therefore area of cuboidal petrol T equal to, this is calculated by using the formula 2LB plus BH plus HL. Okay, this is 2 into the dimension is given to us. This is length is 20 centimeter into breadth is 16 centimeter plus breadth is 16 centimeter. Substituting the value of height is, this is 14 centimeter plus h is again 14 centimeter into length is 20 centimeter. So this is 2 as same, and now multiply 20 into 16. This we will get 20 into 16, 320 centimeter square plus 16 into 14, 16 into 14. So to multiply 16 into 14, we get 224 centimeter square plus 14 into 20, 280 centimeter square. Now adding 320 centimeter square, 224 centimeter square plus 280 meter square, so we will get 824. Okay, 824 centimeter square. Okay, 2 into 824 centimeter square, and again multiply 2 by 824, so we get 4 to the 8 8 to the 16 centimeter square. Okay, 16 4 8 centimeter square. This is the total area, total tin used in one divided petrol tank. Okay, this is the area used in one divided petrol tank, and in question we have to ask, find the total area of sheet of tin required to make 12 such tins. Okay, so this means we need to multiply the area of the tin of one divided petrol tank. Okay, so the total area of a sheet of tin required to make 12 such tins equal to, this means we need to multiply 12 by 1648 centimeter square. Okay, 1648 centimeter square. Now multiply 12 into 1648, so we will get 19776 centimeter square. Okay, after multiplication of 12 into 1648 centimeter square, so we will get 19776 centimeter square. This is the sheet required. Okay, tin sheet required to make 12 such type of divided petrol tank. Okay, divided petrol tin. And also to change into meter, so we need to divide in 19776 upon 1000 meter square. 1 2 3 4, so 1.9776 meter square. Okay, the total area of the sheet of tin required to make 12 such a tins. Okay, so children, this is the required answer of this question. Okay children, now move to the question number 19 of exercise 15.1. In this question it has been said that a closed box in the shape of a cube has a total outer surface of 150 centimeter square. Then we need to ask, then we have to ask, what is the length of its side in centimeter? Okay, so we have given here I divider. Here I closed box which is in the shape of cube. Okay, 150 centimeter square. Then we have to ask what is the length of its side in centimeter. Okay. So we have to given total outer. Okay, total outer surface. Total outer surface. Total outer surface of closed box equal to 150 centimeter square. So we know a closed box, any closed box which is a cube has 6 faces like this. Okay, so we know what is the total surface area of a cube. That is, this is 6 into side square or edge square. Okay, so 6 side edge square will be equal to 150 centimeter square. And from next line, side square equal to 150 upon 6 centimeter square. Now simplify. So 150 divided by 6. So we will get 6 2 12 and 6 5 20. Side square equal to 25 centimeter square. Okay, side square equal to 25 centimeter square and side equal to square root of 25 centimeter square, and the value of square root of 25 is 5. Okay, so here finally we get the side of the closed box, which is equal to 5 centimeter. Okay, so the length of its side in centimeter is equal to 5 centimeter.